Hello students, welcome back to our SABW class. So today in this class we will learn how to make pen holders using plastic bottles. Okay, so let's begin with the class and let's learn how to make the pen holders. Okay, so for making this, first we will need a bottle, plastic bottle, and I have cut it from the middle, so it will look like this. So we are going to take this part of the bottle to make the pen holder. Okay, so now we will need A4 size coloring papers. You can take any color, you can take white paper also. I have taken this pink color. Now I am going to fold the paper in the bottle in this way and stick it with glue. Okay, so after sticking it with glue I will show you how will it look. Okay, now see, this is after sticking the paper with the bottle, it will look like this. And now we are going to make the nose, eyes, ears and whiskers of the cat, which figure we are going to make on it, make on the pen holder. Okay, so I have already made this thing here. Now I will show you how will we make it. First I have taken here a yellow paper for the nose of the cat. Now I am going to draw here the nose like this and I am going to cut it. Okay, so it will look like this, and after that you will border it with black marker. I am bordering it with black marker. Okay, after bordering it, how will it look? It will look like this one. You can see this one. After bordering it, it will look like this. Okay, so this is the nose of the cat. Now we will make the ears. The ears will look like this. How will we make it? Again I am taking here a pink paper, fold it like this. Okay, now draw this structure, these shapes, and cut it from the paper. Okay, so after cutting it, it will look like this. Then again border these ears with black marker, and after bordering it, the ears will look like this. Okay, and for the whiskers I have taken here 6 black stripes of paper, 6 black stripes. You can see this type of stripes. I have taken 6 stripes. Okay, and for making the eyes of the cat, same structure like the nose I have made and cut from the paper and colored it with black. I have covered them with black marker. So these are the eyes, this is the nose, these are the whiskers, and these are the ears of the cat. Now we are going to fix this all things with the pen holder. Okay, now first I'm making here I'm sticking the eyes of the cat here and here. Okay, then nose I'm sticking here. Okay, ears I'm sticking here and here. now we will stick the whiskers, 3 whiskers in each side. Whiskers are not perfectly sticked here, so try to stick the whiskers perfectly, and then after that it will look like this. This is the pen holder. When we will place it on the floor, it will look like this. So this is the pen holder. I hope you understood how to make this thing. Whiskers are not perfectly placed and sticked here. Okay, so again I am giving you 2 weeks to complete this pen holder, and after completing it, send it in the WhatsApp group. And many of you are not doing the SUPW work, and try to do this work by 14 days only, not more than 14 days, and all of you have to do this work in the next class. Okay, I will check who has submitted and who has not. So do the work, submit it in the WhatsApp group within 14 days. Okay, so till the next video, take care and bye.